Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in.
First of all, you need to buy some of this S&B Golden Curry. So this stuff is very easy to make into a katsu curry. I'll just open it up. It's strange stuff. It's you just basically melt it. So it comes in this. It's just like it looks a bit like a sort of chocolate bar, and you melt that into the sauce. So that's the first thing you need. For the chicken, I've found that this stuff is fantastic. It's about as close as you'll get to a sort of panko fillet of chicken that you find in this type of dish. You get this from Costco. It's frozen, and this is really tender with a really nice sort of panko bread type crumb on it. So that literally just bakes in the oven. So as I said, this is going to be a really easy thing to make, and you can make a really good chicken katsu. Pretty similar to sort of a wagamama or a wasabi. Probably more similar to a wasabi type. Now this bit's optional. If you want it a bit more wasabi type, you can put some carrot and potato in it. I've found that it's nice to microwave the carrot first. I'm just going to go with some carrot today because I'm making it wasabi like. You can just boil this up with the onion, as I'll show you, but as I say, I found it makes it softer and nicer if you just cook that in the oven in the microwave oven for a few minutes first before you start the recipe. We're nearly done now. The next thing you need is an onion, and if you're extremely lazy like me and can't be bothered chopping it up small, just get this from Asda, packet of onion. So this costs hardly anything. I think that's maybe about £2. Onions about 50p, a carrot, and can't remember how much these are a bag. I think they're about £10 a bag, and you get quite a lot in, so they're probably about £1, £1.50 each. The final ingredient in this quick and extremely easy katsu curry is some of this sticky rice. This stuff's fantastic. I think you get 6 for £5 at Costco, but you can get it in supermarkets as well. It's a sticky rice, and we find that half of one of these per person is great. Now you can put a salad with it if you want, but really all you need is the golden curry. And if you're struggling to get this, you can get it off Amazon. As I say, I think you can get 3 for about £6 delivered. 2 carrots. Some potatoes as well if you want some, and that would probably only be 1 carrot then. Chopped onion, steamed rice, chicken. And we're going to make ourselves a fantastic katsu curry, as you will see. So in this highly skilled cooking demonstration, I'm going to put this in. This takes a good half an hour probably to cook through and get nice and crispy. The next part of this highly skilled cook is we've had this in for about 2 minutes. I'll give it another minute to really soften it up in the microwave. As I press these buttons with the utmost skill, that carrot will be really nice and soft by the time we need to add it. Great. Now I'm afraid I'll turn this off because you can't hear. I'm afraid the skill level does have to go up a bit here, in that you've got to fry a bit of onion for a few minutes. Put our ready cut onion in. You don't have to ready cut it if you're not totally lazy like me. You can quite easily chop an onion yourself. What we're going to do is we're going to just soften all that up. Right, so we've done the incredibly difficult thing of cooking this onion for roughly 5 minutes, hoping it doesn't burn. And this is quite a tricky bit. You've got to add in the water like that. This was boiled water. What happens now is we're just going to let this cook for about, I don't know, 20 minutes or so on the may go a bit thick, may evaporate a bit because you are meant to cover it, but I'm too lazy to get a pan with a cover on it, so I'm using my wok. So what we'll do is we'll cook it, and if the water gets too low we'll just top it up a little bit again. Okay, so this is simmering away nicely now. We're going for a few minutes. It takes about 15 minutes of simmering in total to get to the required standard. Let's chuck out 3-minute microwaved carrot in there. I used to just put it all in, but I have found that the carrot is possibly a little bit hard still, just the onion be done before the carrot. Hence this new fangled method of microwaving the carrot first. Back to the rice. This is another technical bit. You've got to open up this microwave and place in there and microwave for 2 minutes a portion. 2 minutes. Fingers crossed will be okay. Right folks, next technical bit coming up. This has been on for 15 minutes now. Let's just remove that from the heat. Let's get our Katsu golden curry blocks. If Cadbury's made curry, it'd probably look like this. It smells lovely, by the way, when you open it. Got that in, broken it up. A bit difficult with one hand, but I'm trying my best. There we go, last one. Put that in, like that. And then this just melts in, like this. This is where the magic happens. This is where the magic happens. Look at this. So we melt this in. So we stuck this back under heat and we'll give it another 5 minutes of simmering now. You see, very quick, it sort of thickens up straight away. Look, we've got that Katsu, a fantastic Katsu sauce. Straight away, it's fantastic, this stuff. Wouldn't surprise me if they use this in some of the, I think they use this, it's authentic Japanese stuff, this. It wouldn't surprise me if they use it in quite a lot of restaurants. Don't know that, but I suspect they do. Yep, we're nearly there with it now. The second rice is on, cooking away there. The chicken, that'll be done. Spot on now, about 35 minutes is great. Let's look at that. Fabulous. Oh, I've got some steam there, look at that. Brilliant, that's coming out now. So, when this is finished, we'll plate it all up. This one's done. And I'm telling you, this is spot on. It's as good as you'll get in Wagamama or Wasabi type thing. We've just plated up the chicken now. If you're a perfectionist, like I am, joking, it's nice to slice it like this to give it that real authentic. Look at this, it's just like panko breadcrumbs, this stuff. Oops. Try not to pull it off like I've done, but never mind. This chicken is really good from Costco, it's really soft, really nice. Makes great chicken sandwiches as well, this actually. So, it's really good. Right, we then need the rice, just bear with me. Some of the rice, I need it stirring. This is a bit technical, this bit as well, because my fan's still on. Because when the washing machine is on, which doesn't help, we need to put half of one of these rices on each one, so you have to rip it open again. Hope it isn't too much for you. And then you pick it up, and I like to keep it in its shape, like so. Hopefully the camera lens isn't steaming up too much from that. Now, are we ready? Are we ready? Here comes the katsu. And look at this. Just look at this. Put that across that chicken like that. Look at that. And I'm telling you, Katsu lovers will absolutely love this chicken katsu dish. So I'm going to tuck in now, and I hope you've enjoyed that. Thank me later. Cheers, bye.